Namaste all. Very good evening. This is Vishwanath from PANI Deals. So today we are having another live walkthrough and giveaway with AICamp team. So yeah, let's welcome and get started. Am I audible? Okay.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, Namaste Nishchit. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Namaste.
So how are you doing?
I'm doing really good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. So thanks again for joining us and welcome to PANI community. So here today we discuss AI Camp live walkthrough and giveaway, and you can ask questions to the founder, Nishchit. Okay. Also, let's come back. Actually, we have this format of live kind of. Initially, it's more of founders introduction and product introduction, and then product demo or walkthrough, and then we will take questions from the community. So it usually it will be around 45 minutes to 60 minutes. Okay. So yeah, let's get started. Can you please tell me about yourself, like about how your journey started as a founder and how you started AI Camp, and do you have any history of other startups earlier?
Absolutely. First of all, thank you very much, Vishwanath, for inviting me today. My name is Nishchit. Hello, everyone. I started my journey as an entrepreneur in 2016 around. It's been almost 8 plus years. And I have been in tech industry since more than 12 years. I have worked at a couple of companies in India. First of all, I am from Gujarat, India. and when I started my journey, I founded a consulting firm in our city. Then, after the 4 years of running it, we completely moved to the product. We were building a couple of products in tech category. One was uh, API management tool. This is currently also live. There are thousands of developers are using it on daily basis. AI Camp is a new product we have started 3 months ago, and it was our own pain. I realized that GPT was a good solution for a individual person, but when being a business owner, if I would like to offer the AI solution to my entire team, so ChatGPT is not that much helpful. There are two reasons. First one is ChatGPT team they recently launched, but it's super costly. Only for the enterprise can afford it. Team of 50 would be end up paying around $1,500 per month. It's too much. And the second is ChatGPT only offer the OpenAI models. So in today's world, a team cannot rely on one AI provider or a couple of AI models only, because there are hundreds of AI models are being introduced, and so many are currently in pipeline. So we saw there's this gap uh, in adopting the AI throughout the company and organization, and having access of the multiple LLMs, multiple AI models to fulfill or to accomplish a specific task by using that. That was the biggest pain, and that's why we started building AI Camp. So AI Camp, you can expect the similar functionality like a ChatGPT, but it has a two benefit. One is that you will end up paying only for the what you are using as a part of the API cost. You can bring your own multiple APIs of multiple vendors like Anthropic, like Gemini, OpenAI, Mistral, and you can also host your own Olama and Fireworks. Those integrations are in our roadmap, and we will have it very soon. And the second benefit is that you can manage and control. You can manage and control your whole organization from the admin dashboard. That's a pro feature for any business owner. Uh, so This is what we are currently offering in AI Camp. Compared to ChatGPT, AI Camp has a lot more features. Like you do not need to do a repetitive task again and again. Instead of, you can create your own prompt libraries. You can share within your organization. There is a team space feature as well. So in your organization, if you have a multiple departments or multiple projects you are running on, so you can create a specific team space, and you can invite a specific set of people to access it. So whatever you are going to manage within that chat folders and prompts, those assets are only be accessible to the limited people who has the access. So we are more focusing on the organization level, manage the people managements, and by doing all of these things, how we can increase the AI adoption with minimum cost. That's what we are currently offering.
Okay, yeah, that's great. So thank you so much for the introduction. Actually, so it's started from around 2 years.
AI Camp?
Yes.
No, AI Camp, it's just been 3 months.
Oh, that's great. Okay, okay. So how big is your team?
We are currently 4 people, but we have some our partners as a freelancer and agencies. Whenever we need help, so we are taking from them. But a product perspective, it's completely in house. It's under our control. The marketing stuff, websites, and other parts of business, we are outsourcing at this moment.
Okay, fine. No issues. So actually, you launched the campaign recently. So how long it will be live on Rocket Hub?
I think this is the third week of Rocket Hub. It will end up in 13th of June, I guess. 1 month will be completed, so we have it 1.5 week almost.
Okay, okay, okay. So okay, then can you show some walkthrough, product walkthrough?
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah, please.
Is it visible to you?
Yes, I made it live as well.
Okay, good. Okay, so this is, let me show you from this beginning. This is the first dashboard, the portal you will see when you sign up for AI Camp. So we have kept the similar experience of the Chat GPT, so you will not feel like that you are out of Chat GPT. But with that, we have also managed the minimal experience. So a lot of this is the platform like you are going to use on daily basis, so you will not feel a boring kind of time. So that's why we have kept it very minimal. So the whole idea is there is a one workspace. So workspace will represent your company or your organization. So currently we are in the AI Camp workspace. So this is our company, and within the workspace, you can see this sidebar. So there are three views. The first one is a workspace. Second one is the team space, and the third one is the personal space. So in workspace, for example, if you are a team of 50 people, so the chat collect there will be a certain utilities you can do in workspace, like you can create chat collections. Soon we are going to release the AI agents. There is a prompts, so you can save under these folders. So if you are 50 people of team, so every people will have access to these workspace assets. But if you have a multiple departments in your company or organization, so you can create a multiple team space from here. Here is the option creating a team space. So when you create a team space, you can create a chat collection there also. But in team space, there is a setting you can invite multiple people in this team space from here, and all these people will have access to this team space assets only. So this is the very private kind of space where specific set of people can have the access of underneath assets of team spaces. And last one is the personal space. So this is the only you, the every AI history is going to end up in your personal space. If you would like to save, if you would like to collaborate with your team, maybe in a workspace level or a team space level, so there is an option to save chat. You can just select any of these folder, and you can save it, so it will appear in these folders, and the other people will also have the access to view these chats. So this is the whole management level of stuff, how you can utilize AI camp in a company or organization level. Now let's talk about LLMs models. So currently I have integrated the OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google Gemini models. There is a model setting option here. You can update, disable, enable any models you would like to offer to your employee or your team members. So if you are a workspace owner, you can update these models from here. Like let's say there is a Gemini. I don't want to allow my people to use Gemini 1 Pro, so I will disable it and I simply uh, update this provider, and immediately you can see we have only Gemini 1.5 Pro, and Flash 1.0 is disappear. So now if you have the team of 10, 20 other people, right, so they will get into their account, and they will also have the only those model here which are enabled by you. So this is how it works, and let's create a one chat here with Gemini 1.5 Flash. And for the quick, I'm just using this template, and you will see the response coming from the AI model here. uh, so you see new chat is created in your personal history. Now you can continue conversation with this AI model if you feel that this is the useful thing and you would like to share with your team. So there is a save button, and you can select a one folder here, let's say AI can blog, and you can save it. So now you can see this is the folder AI can blog, and in this folder this chat has been saved, and other member of this workspace will can also see this chat, and they can also continue with this chat from here, and the name will appear here instead of you. Now if you are a company, right, so there are certain tasks you would be working on. There are something really repetitive things each of your members or some teams would have to do. So we have a feature of prompts. So there are uh, three level of prompts. One is a workspace level. Workspace level prompts will be accessible to the entire workspace members. Then there will be a team space level templates, but we haven't created, so we cannot see it right now. But you can see this is a public. Our team at AI Camp, we are also managing some public prompts libraries. So all these prompts have been created by our team. So when you hover on this prompt, you can see the preview, and if you like to use it, you can just simply click on it, and it will appear in your chatbot input message box. Likewise, you can create your own libraries. Like I have created one prompt here, and let me uh, talk with another model 4.0. This is the prompt, and this is the role I need to change. Let's say CEO, and I'm asking this prompt to the AI model very quickly. So this way you can utilize the prompts within your whole workspace. So these prompts will be accessible to all members of your workspace. So this is the response based on this prompt we are getting from the GPT-4o, and it will create a new chat here likewise, and you can utilize this chat, you can save it. So this is the rough history of your chat. You can anytime navigate this history, and you can save anytime you would like to offer you would like to collaborate with your team. So this a basic fundamental like how we are building the chat gpt like experience in AI camp. The next, currently I'm working on the image generation feature. So if you will ask your if you will ask any model to create an image, if they are able to do it with help of a tooling or certain other things, then it will create an image for you. I can give you the demo of image. It's live on the staging. Just give me a second. Let's say 4.0, and I'm asking it like generate the image of beautiful beach. Imagination will take a couple of seconds because they need to create internally it. So within 4 to 5 seconds, it will create a beautiful image for you based on your prompt. Okay, so this is the image. So this feature is currently in the staging mode. Very soon it will be available on production as well. So you will be able to create it from here as well. Other part is that there is you can invite your team members from here in the setting. Then there are analytics. You can see like how many chats created by your team, which person are using at what level, and there are other options like how many tokens or LLMs are being used monthly basis or previous month basis. So those kind of features we are currently building uh, in AICamp. So that's all I think. And yeah, one more thing, like we have built AICamp a very collaborative way. Like if you will create a certain things in AICamp, like you will create a folder here, like let's say folder one, so it will immediately appear in your other team members' workspace directly. They do not need to refresh again. So that's all with AICamp.
Okay. Okay, yeah. Thank you so much for the demo I walked through actually. So it's the interface is like similar to Chat GPT plus. So where we can use multiple uh, prompts, otherwise charts we can continue. But the advantage is that we have multiple models at your disposal, so you can use whatever the model you are comfortable. Otherwise, you want to use it because
Yes.
there are some models for specifically good for some type of work like Anthropic is good and giving some unique content while generating some stuff for marketing. While where the chat GPTs became more generic actually because there are a lot of users. At the same time, chat GPT is very much good at logical and arithmetical operations. Anthropic is still a little late in that part, and Gemini Pro is improved drastically when compared to the previous models actually
Yes.
in more of the aspects. So that is a good thing. This really helps. The thing is like, are there any uh, like is there any way like we can create custom GPTs, otherwise custom models from that, like we can even train them on some particular data? Is there any chance?
We are currently working on the custom GPTs. I'm not sure we are going to say it a custom GPT or AI agent or AI assistant, but all things will be similar. But we are working on this. So maybe in a couple of weeks we will launch this feature as well. Data training is something in our roadmap, but we are not kind of including in this current hire. So whenever it will have in AI camp, so we will offer at some point free capacity to our current users, and beyond that, if they need training data usage based, then we will offer some sort of add-ons or new tier.
Okay. So is there something like webhooks or API to use them in the automations, otherwise integrations?
Sorry, say it again.
Like webhooks API.
Uh, it's not currently available, but definitely if it's a need of our community, then we are gonna give it. We will offer it for sure. If you need any new features which are not available in AI Camp, so we have a public roadmap. It's aicamp.kenny.io. You can go to there and you can open a new feature request. We will discuss over there. And if we see the good fit as a use case of our users, then we are going to build it for sure.
Okay, 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 got it. So the thing is like, why I'm asking is like, we can use custom GPTs not just for custom training the data, and also we can interact with other apps using public connect or JPR through webhooks or API.
Yes.
That is the
So
use case.
Absolutely. So, in terms of custom GPT, it's yes, because it's the nature of GPT. Like GPT will talk with the external data through other API, but webhook is something different, in my opinion. So, I thought webhook as a system level communication, but when you think about the custom GPT level communication, so there will be a option to integrate APIs which can talk to the external data wherever
Okay.
you want.
Yeah, yeah. So we have few questions came up already.
Okay. Would
Uh,
love to answer.
yeah, shall we take them?
Absolutely.
Okay. Yeah. Can we create something like custom workspaces and sell it like custom GPT? Okay.
Uh, so the whole idea of AI Camp is helping uh, organization or company to adapt AI and give them freedom to use any kind of AI available in the world. So in AI Camp, workspace represents the company or organization. So you cannot create a multiple workspaces. You can create a one workspace for your company, and we are charging based on the workspace members within the same workspace. But if you have a multiple departments, like if you have multiple clients, so you can create a multiple team spaces and invite them to join the team space, and you can configure things based on the team space as well. So that's the whole idea. And the custom gpts, i'm not I cannot currently give you the promise or anything, because the feature is under development. But when it will be available, we will share the more options there, like how you can use and access it.
Okay. Looks nice. Okay. This is one compliment we have got. Will it integrate with OpenAI? Yes.
Yes, yes, you can
That
bring your
is
own OpenAI integration in AI.
okay. What are the AI models available right now?
Currently, we are offering more than 10 AI models. There are three AI providers. One is OpenAI, so you can integrate GPT 3.5, 4, 4.0, and DALI. And then there is Anthropic. You can enable Haiku, Sonnet, and Cloudy 3, all the models of Cloudy 3. And then Gemini. So Gemini 1.0, 1.5, and 1.5 Flash Pro. So all models of OpenAI, Google Gemini, and Anthropics are available in AI Camp.
Okay. Okay. Do you, uh, yeah, do your platform support webhooks?
Yeah, so I think I answered it previously, but let me clarify it first. Like uh, in in a custom GPT, yes, you can integrate your own webhooks API, but at a system level, like if you would like to extend the AI Cam's capacity, AI Cam the offering to the external system, so that is not available. But we will think if required. You can open a feature request on aicam.kenya.io.
Okay, sure. Apart from possibility to work on a team, what else are the main advantages of using this?
Absolutely. So the biggest advantage is that you can access the multiple large language models. This is the biggest advantage, because if you have a team, so some people would be in a marketing side, some would be sales side, some would be on engineering side. So every department would have a need of a different AI models, right? So, for example, engineering team would feel a cloudy a good option for their programming stuff. Marketing team would be happy with the Gemini offering. So that's the biggest advantage of any team, to having the freedom to use their favorite LLMs in one workspace.
Okay. Will it have plugins like ChatGPT?
Yes, actually, yes. So now plugins and custom GPTs both are the same thing. So when we offer the custom GPTs, so it will fulfill the all needs of plugins.
Okay. Yeah. So far, these are the questions. So, uh, actually, I have shared the AI camp candidate.io URL in the comments as well. for the roadmap and feedback as well. Okay. So I think yeah, these roadmap as well, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So what is the end goal actually? So who is your nearest competitor?
Actually, being a founder, I only compete with the ChatGPT. It doesn't matter how big they are. So the whole idea of AI Camp is to build a similar capable platform like ChatGPT. So we are thinking about bringing the RAG in our platform with having access of multiple LLMs. So this is quite difficult than ChatGPT itself. And if you see, currently we are offering, in terms of the management side, we are offering the more features than ChatGPT. So you can manage your prompts, you can manage your chats, you can save it. You will have the custom GPTs, you will have the agents, so on. So all those stuffs are missing in ChatGPT itself. But if you say on other territory, like similar space we are currently building, so there are maybe Team GPT and maybe Typing Mind.
Okay. We have another question. You should implement AI model aggregators like OpenRouter, Grok, or direct access to LM.
Uh, yes, we may do it, but the currently we are focused to build a platform where you can bring your own API key, because to build a whole aggregator model is kind of bit complex stuff and it will require some time. So once we will validate the ideas, we will have a certain amount of users on our platform and they are happy to use it, and if they will ask it, then we will definitely gonna give this a try. Yes, one more thing is that Grok and OpenRouter, both integrations are in our roadmap. So we are working on it. And if you have the OpenRouter key or Grok key, then you will be able to access it within the AI camp also.
Okay. Okay. So what are the some significant features coming up?
So currently we are working on three main features. The first one is image generation with uh, RAG style, like chat. You will ask in chat to create something and it will appear in your uh,
Okay.
chat conversation. Like I have previewed it, but it's currently in staging. The second one is the custom GPTs. So we are not sure like how to represent it as a custom GPT or AI agent or AI assistant, but it will be coming up in very near future. And the third one is you can upload document and you can chat with the document.
Okay. Okay. That's so. Okay. I think we have got another question as well. Meanwhile, uh, hello, Rahul, and then I mean not doing yours, but allow the ability to use our API key. I think these regarding Open Router and Grok.
Yes, again, I am saying that Open Router and Grok integrations are on the way. You will have it very soon.
Okay. 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 So uh, I had few questions actually. Okay. In this one, in the roadmap and feedback, actually, there are uh, three, I think, four recent releases were there, right? In last 1 or 2 weeks, I think so. I,
Yes.
three are there. Yeah, can you name them actually? Like the features which are released after the campaign, during the campaign.
Yeah, so we have released team spaces during the campaign.
Okay.
We have optimized the prompt ability in AI Camp. We are currently building the image generation. I have shown the demo, and other features I would say like there are analytics part which we have also improved and released in this. Meanwhile, this
Okay.
demo is on the way.
Okay. So now I have question. I like recently there is one AI release, that is model Sora.ai, Sora AI. You are aware of, right? Like especially for video.
Sora is not publicly available yet, so we are not able to implement it.
Yeah.
But whenever it will have a public release, we are going to give it a try.
Yeah. Okay. I know, I understand that. So is there anything like because now you are focusing on image? Is there anything like on for video?
Absolutely. Why not? If other AI models are offering the video capabilities, then definitely we are going to give it a try. If our community will ask us to bring something new, we are also going to give it offer to our community for sure.
Okay. Yeah. There is also a demand for image editing and video editing actually. So not just a generation. So is there any plan for that as well?
Uh, yes, it's not right now we are thinking about, but if our community's interest will be in that direction, then we will uh, offer it for sure.
Okay. We have some question like, sorry, I missed the demonstration part. Okay.
No, no worries. You can just sign up and you can try it out by
Yeah.
yourself.
Yeah. Yeah. And there is replay anyway.
Yeah, the
Okay.
session is being recorded.
Yeah. It's there on YouTube and it's there on Facebook page as well. So anybody can watch it anytime. And regarding the pricing part, actually, like lifetime deal campaign and Rocket Hub, there are I think three. One second. Yeah, there are three plans based upon tiers, like tier one and for 10 users, and then tier two for 25 users, and tier three for 50 users. So, is there anything different from one model to another, like one plan to another plan, apart from the users?
No, actually, because we have kept the offering very similar to every tire, but we are only differentiating the tire based on the number of team members you are going to onboard.
Okay. So, is there any limits on usage, like fair usage policy or some restrictions?
No, actually, this is 100% BY. Okay, bring your own API key platform. So whatever you are going to using within this platform, you are going to pay end of the day to the whatever vendor you are going to integrate. So there is no fair usage policy right now in available. Sorry, in AICamp. So you can use as per your full strength.
Yeah, I agree. But actually, even though you are just passing the information from API to getting the information from API, but still you store the history, still you store the media, especially image or video when generated. So there will be some capacity allocated for these stuff, and there is also a lot of management inside the dashboards, like users, teams, team spaces, that stuff, and also there is no limit as of now. That's what you
Uh,
say.
there is only one limit, I guess. There is the chat history because the on usually, but like we are going to be create lots of chats, right? And we don't need the older chats after some time. So there are 3 months of chat history available in AI Camp. So, but there is one feature as well. Like if you would like to keep the chat for forever, lifetime, so you can create a chat collection and you can save chat into that collection. So it will be there for forever. But if it's not saved, it's like a random chat, so it will disappear after 3 months.
Okay, okay. So if I would like to save the charts forever, then I have to make them collection, and I think I can also export, right, charts. Is there anything like
Uh,
that?
that feature is not asked by our any of the community members. Like currently, thousands of people are using AI Camp, but
Yeah,
if it's a need for you, then we do not have any problem to offer this feature.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, maybe because they can be referred offline as well, something like that. So if it is exported.
Yeah.
That will
Sure,
be good.
we will operate. So I think currently more than a 50 feature request we have received from our public roadmap. So I never see this feature, but if you need it, please create and open the new feature request. We will offer it for sure.
Okay. And is there any plan for Chrome extension, browser
Uh,
extension?
no, 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 no. Actually, this is completely a team solution, right? There is always you need one server. You need a cloud. So in Chrome extensions, I don't think we can achieve this capacity. There is no way to navigate to different pages within the same extension. So
No,
not
not that way. Yeah, let me explain a case. I do not want to access all the features in the Chrome extension, as in the cloud part, but I would like to use that particular uh, service, like offer on any page wherever I am doing it. Like if I am chatting on WhatsApp, if I am in Messenger, if I am doing something like that, so I can just type this and I will copy paste this here rather than going to the window, another window.
okay.
So, and whatever I'm using on Chrome extension or browser extension, that will be there in the cloud anyway, stored in the cloud anyway.
Okay, so I we haven't thought about it yet, but we'll see if it is going to be a strong use
Yeah,
case.
if
Then
there is demand, yes.
yeah.
Because there are a lot of tools similarly work similarly.
Mhm.
So there are very less features on the Chrome extension when compared to the dashboard.
Got it. Understood.
Yeah, yeah, very limited.
Would be a
And
nice.
is there any plan for mobile apps?
Yes, we have the plan for the mobile app, but one goal at a time. So currently, we would like to stabilize the web version. So once we will have it, we will start working on the mobile app.
Okay, mobile app and desktop app. What about?
Yes, both have desktop, mobile, and web.
Okay, that's
Both
great.
the platforms we would like to be on in future.
Okay, yeah. Okay, then yeah. This is it from my side. I like questions. So let's ask the community. Okay, maybe actually, yeah. Recently, Facebook retracted groups API, so we are unable to uh, take live to the community Facebook group directly. So we
Okay.
have to ask them to join on Facebook page, otherwise YouTube channel.
Okay.
So there is some, yeah, gap there.
Yeah,
So
I understand.
so do you have any Facebook community or Discord group, Discord community or
Yes,
something? Discord.
we have a Discord server, Discord community. So you can visit AICamp.so, so, and in footer you will find the Discord link. And if you will get sign in into the AICamp account, so within the chat message input, you will see the link of Discord. You can join it, and you can share any issues. If you have any new features in mind, you can come in our Discord community and ask freely.
Okay, yeah, sure. So is there anything else you want to announce, like you haven't announced earlier?
I think I have already announced three things. What we are currently building is one is image generation, second is a documentation chat, and third one is the custom GPTs. So these three things are going to be launched in AI Camp very soon.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, got it. I'm sharing the Discord link in this one in the
Thank you.
comments. Okay. So how do you handle the support tickets? Do you have?
Yeah, so we have support at the rate aicam.so email. You can contact us on this email. There is a
Intercom
Discord
chat widget
community.
as well.
Yeah, there is
Yes.
a Discord community, and third one is our public roadmap, aicam.kenya.io.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, and you have intercom chat widget on the
Yes,
website as well,
it is
and
also available there.
for support this one. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I think these is it from our side. So uh, As you said earlier, it's going to be 1 month campaign and it's going to be uh, live till June 13th.
Yes.
No extension.
Uh, not actually.
Okay, okay.
But you can. There is a 30 days money back guarantee, right? So you can purchase today. You can try it. You don't find a good fit, then you can ask for the refund. That's fine. So why to wait for the next couple of weeks? You can try it out. You can right now try it out.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure, of course. This is very much useful anyway. So especially for team productivity,
Absolutely.
and there is a 20%. Okay, yeah, that is early bird discount is ended, right?
Yes, I think it was for the only first week, I guess.
Yeah, yeah, first week, yes, yes. So it was there. So anyway, grab it while the lifetime deal is available. Yeah, this is it, guys, from today. Let me know if you have any feedback or questions.
Uh, thank you very much, everyone, and Viswanathan.
Yeah,
Uh,
thank you, Nishit.
yeah.
I have my questions answered actually. I had few doubts anyway.
Okay,
So
great.
yeah, I will try to use it as much as possible. Currently, we are using other tools along with my team, like a kind of Notion, Nimbus Note, some. So it's there everywhere, and the AI is everywhere. So I'm currently using that. I
Absolutely,
will get started with AI Camp. I think this will be more useful because this is frictionless,
absolutely.
very less friction when compared to the other tools.
Hmm. Yes, you're right.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Bye
Yeah.
bye.
Bye.
Good day.
Yeah. Okay, guys. This is it from today. This is about AI Camp. Very helpful and useful productivity tool actually. This straightforward tool is nothing like we'll be shipping all the features into this something like that. Okay. So if you are using ChatGPT or any other similar tool for your team, then this the best chance to get it and use it every day. And this is more of your bring your own key, so there will be less cost on API because there is no markup. You're going to pay straightforward for the usage. And also there are no limits as of now on charts, team members, or any other stuff uh, apart from the plan mentioned in the plan. Okay, so this will be a good one to try. So go now and try it out and share your feedback in our community as well. Otherwise, you can share the feedback in the A Camp uh, roadmap feedback tool as well. And they have community and Discord as well. Okay, I have shared the link in the comments. So yeah, let's get started. Thank you guys for joining us today and take care. See you again.